Hello everyone, welcome to IT and Automation Learners Hub. My name is Khaja. Today I will show you how to install Java in Windows 10 operating system. To install Java, first of all, let's download Java software. Go to Google search for Java SE download. So here, click on the first link provided by oracle.com. Now click on JDK download. Now scroll down. So here we can find Java 14. This is the latest version, Java 14 download. And here we can find the Java for different operating systems like Linux operating system, Mac operating system, Windows, for all this. So here we are downloading in Windows operating system. That's why click on this. For this Windows, click on this .exe file. Here check this checkbox to accept the terms and conditions and click on this download button. It will start downloading. You can find in the bottom left bottom corner. Here you can find Java software is getting downloaded. So I am canceling this download process because I have already downloaded it. In your case, you please wait. It will take a couple of minutes to download the software. After downloading, now we can install the Java software in your system. So now go to downloads folder where your Java software has downloaded. So double click on this exe file. It will start the installation process. In order to start the installation process, a pop-up will be displayed with the message, allow this app to make changes to your device. That pop-up will not be captured in this recording. So there also you click on S button and Java installation process will start. So click on next. Here this will show the path of the location where Java is going to be installed. This is the default location. If you want, you can change this location, but as of now, let it be the default itself. Click on next. Let's keep the location is default location only. Click on next. It will take a couple of minutes to install Java. Yes, so here the installation is done. See, here it is showing Java SE development kit successfully installed. So just click on this close button. Now we need to, after installation, we need to configure the Java into your system. So to configure Java, we can configure Java by setting the system environment variable. So for this, we need to go to the system settings. So just simply type settings in the Windows search box and hit enter. It will open settings window. In this settings window search box, type env environment, hit enter. So here select the first option, edit the system environment variables. Click on the first option. So here in this window, just click on, in this dialog box, click on the environment variables. In the system variables section, double click on path. Here we need to create a new environment variable by clicking on new button, and then we need to specify the path of the Java software where it is installed in your system. So let's first find the path of the Java software. So for that, click on this computer and go to C drive. Double click on C drive and double click on program files. Double click on Java folder. Double click on JDK14. Double click on bin folder. So this is the exact location where Java has been installed in your system. So to get the exact path of this location, just click on this address bar of this folder. So here this will give the exact path of this location. So copy this path, Control C, and close this folder. Close this folder, and now click on the new button and paste the path whatever you have copied, Control V, and click OK. Again click OK. Again click OK. Now close this window settings. Now the Java has successfully installed in your system. To cross check whether the Java is installed or not in your system, go to command prompt. Open the command prompt by typing command in Windows search box and hit enter. So in this command prompt here, we use one command, javac space hyphen version. This command will display the version of the Java software if it is installed in your system. Hit enter. See, it is showing javac 14.0.1. It means Java has installed in your system with version Java 14. JDK 14 has installed in your system successfully. Like this, here we can install Java software in Windows 10 operating system. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Please click on bell button to get more updates. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you.